Assalamu alaikum. You are listening Radio Sadai Hurriyat Jammu Kashmir. I am Ibn Salam with Kashmir Update. In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Indian troops and police personnel subjected thousands of Kashmiri youth to enforced disappearance during custody over the past 32 years. According to a report released by the research section of the Kashmir Media Service on the occasion of International Day of Disappear Today, occupied Jammu and Kashmir has witnessed mass killings, enforced disappearances, torture and rape at the hands of Indian forces. Over 8,000 youth vanished in custody after they were picked up by the troops since 1990. The report revealed that the cruel practice of enforced disappearances gave rise to a new class of people called half-widows and half-orphans in Kashmir. Hurriyat leaders and human rights activists, including Zamruda Habib, Yasmin Raja, Farida Behenji, Shabir Ahmad Dar, and Muhammad Hassan Ondo, in their statements, appealed to the world community to play its role in tracing the whereabouts of the missing Kashmiris. Meanwhile, Indian troops, in their fresh act of state terrorism, martyred one more Kashmiri youth in Poonch district. The youth was killed by the troops during the continued military operation near LOC area of the district. The All Party Hurriyat Conference spokesman, in a statement, strongly reacted to the assertions made by the so-called Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir governor against the Hurriyat Conference and its leaders and activists. The spokesman maintained that a small area with 8 million population has been besieged by 1 million occupation troops to kill, torture and arrest anyone with impunity. On the other hand, experts on Kashmir have criticized the Narendra Modi-led fascist government's new education policy for being reflective of the Hindutva ideology espoused by the Hindu extremist organization Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh. They pointed out that Narendra Modi is shaping India according to RSS dictates. Commenting on the intensified crackdown operations against social media users in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the experts said that sudden takeover of Afghanistan by the Taliban have unnerved Modi regime, and to preempt a similar kind of situation in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, it has launched a massive crackdown against social media users who give any kind of reference to the rise of Taliban in their posts. In Islamabad, the All Parties Hurriyat Conference AJK chapter held an anti-India protest demonstration in front of the National Press Club today. The speakers on the occasion demanded of the United Nations and other international human rights organizations to take notice of rights violations by Indian troops in the occupied territory. The farmers' movement in India has taken to a new spike as the agitated farmers in Punjab resorted to highway blockades across the state after the death of a 45-year-old Haryana farm activist who, among others, was severely beaten by police at the Bastar Tool Plaza in Karnal on Saturday. And this is for now. Have a good night and keep listening Radio Sadai Hurriyat Jammu Kashmir.